Hi guys, good evening. This is Chris from Crisp Digitals, and I want to welcome every one of you to my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel and leave a comment for me if you have any question. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification so you will get more videos when I post them. Alright, and also if you're watching this on my website, welcome. And I just want to do a quick video on everything you will be getting when you download this planner. Okay, first of all, you will be getting from June. Actually, I'm going to be giving you guys from May to December. May is almost over, but I'm just going to give you guys that as well. So it's going to be technically from June to December, hence the price. That's why I'm giving the price for $7 instead of $14 or $15. But I'm doing this, like I've explained in my previous video. Just know that I'm doing this because of it's the June to December. Okay, that's why it's $7. All right, so the reason I'm doing this is because I want people to understand that when they purchase this and you download it, you will only get June or May to December, sorry, from May to December. That's what you're going to get. But I'm going to use May as an example to show you guys everything that you will be getting. All right, I've added some more pages, and it still didn't change the price. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys. So right here is the cover page, that is the May, and the next one is the monthly planner, and the weeks is what you get for the weeks. So for the weekly planner, this is what you get. And when you go to daily pages, I've already arranged mine like this to tell me the Friday the 1st, Saturday the 2nd. On yours is just going to be considered daily planner, so you can know when you open the file, you know which one is daily planner. So when you start creating when you start importing this into your OneNote, then you can change them. Okay, instead of daily planner, you put the date. All right, let me see if I can find the one that has daily planner on it. Okay, so you will see something like this, daily planner. Okay, all right, the daily planner, all you have to do is just come here and remove it and look at the date of that day. And for example, I can just put 3rd, all right, of June. All right, and maybe that thought, I don't know what July 3rd is for now. Let me look at my calendar here. So July is the 3rd is on Friday, so I can just come here and just put 3rd Friday or Friday the 3rd. Just put that. So now it has been changed from my daily planner to this. Okay, that's what I did. All right, that was what I did for this May. Okay, it was my daily planner, but I changed them to 1st and did the same here. So this is what you will be getting. Okay, all right, so the next thing you will be getting is finance. So the income part, you'll be getting this. You'll be getting the expenses. You'll be getting shopping list. Okay, and also you'll be getting a password manager. So if I unlock it, okay, you'll be getting this, and I'll show you guys how to put a password on your password manager. Okay, so let me lock it again. All right, so you will be getting food recipes. All right, and then you'll be getting baking recipe page. You will be getting extra pages. So you have the blank page. This you can use and do whatever you want to do on it. You have the split line page. Okay, you have the line page. You have the dotted grid, and you have the graph sheet. All right, so guys, this are the pages you will be getting. All right, so I just wanted to do the overview so you understand what you're getting when you download this. If it's from January to December, then the price will be higher than this, like I said, but I'm still leaving it at $7. And I also wanted to let you guys know, even though I have all these pages here, when you purchase this and say 2 weeks from today or a week from today, I come up with another idea to add to these pages, after creating that, I will send it to you guys for you guys to download that for free. Okay, so whatever pages that I create after you've purchased, I'm going to be giving you guys for free as well. All right, so that's kind of my bonus, all right, for you guys. All right, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And now you can go ahead and click the purchase button or the download button next to this video on my website, and after that I will do a video also to the right of your screen where you can watch and see what happens after you've purchased your product. I'll show you the process of you getting your email and your download link and stuff. Okay, all right, thank you and God bless. Bye bye.